little raccoon. Are you going to run away as soon as Dad opens the door? Probably. Yep. There he goes. Or she goes, as the case may be. Kitties are doing the, we knew you wouldn't forget us. Bob and Vincent are hitting up the kitty treat right away. Fluffy has discovered the chicken bits. Vincent's going, I recognize that smell. Chicky bits. It's raining upon us. Fluffy and Bob and Vincent all munching happily on the food. Ran out of hot dogs, so was supplemented with Costco rotisserie chicken. I don't think the kitties mind. Hello. You, my little fluff muffin. Yes, you. Well, hello, Charlotte. Join the club. There's our little Charlotte. Pull that out a bit so I can get everybody in the frame. Yeah. Well, they're definitely enjoying their dinner. That's a good thing. 4 little pussycats enjoying dinner. Okay. Well, like I said, due to weather, I don't know how much I'll be able to film tonight. But the food is there, so whenever they want it, they can come get it. Ooh, I see a raccoon headed in this direction. One of the joys of still being sunlight, well, cloud light. I can see the little rascals coming. You see that kind of big white shed thing up there? I believe that's where the raccoons live. The kitties may live there too. Ah, there you are. That's it. Join the crowd. Yep. And going after the cookie. Yep. Grabbed the cookie and took it off over to the corner there. At least staying on the deck where it's dry. This may end up being a longer video than I had planned. Ah well, that's okay. I don't mind. I like to watch them eat. And the furry ones. Okay. Come on back, grab another. You can use the calories. There's a cookie right there in front of you. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. You got the cookie. Yay. Yes. Got 4 kitties and 1 raccoon munching happily away. Oh, Charlotte got a piece of chicken. That's one thing. I do not feel at all bad about giving them leftover chunks of chicken. Oop. And there goes my raccoon with his prize underneath the gazebo. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, share, and I will try to return later. Bye-bye.